What's up, everybody? Jay here. I know it's been a long time since I got with y'all. I apologize. Nah, actually, I don't. I don't apologize. I got stuff to do. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to just put together a quick little centerpiece for less than $20. If you go online, you'll see a lot of little different things that you can do on YouTube. Some are inspiring, some are not. Some are more cost effective, some is more time effective. So I'm sitting there trying to figure out how do you balance that. Like, I went shopping today all day for my new apartment. I was having a hard time trying to figure out what direction I want to go in terms of decorating. Thing is, as a man, this is not things that are on our radar. We're not always looking to constantly decorate the house, especially if you're a single guy. Like, a lot of times, like, hey, whatever. But you're going to have nights where you go on dates, or you might have a lady friend come over and you want things to look a little nicer, and most men, I've done it myself, scramble last minute to get things together, especially when we get that last minute phone call. Fellas, you know what I'm talking about, the last minute phone call. But hey, you still want things to look good, right? There's a way to do it without spending crazy money, and I'm going to show y'all, and it's time effective. The most that you're going to spend time going to is to go travel, to go pick up the stuff. And again, this is going to be very cost effective. You don't got to worry about that. I'm going to show you 2 or 3 different ways you can get this done. It's on you which way you want to do it. Some is like really cheap, but whatever, right? No one's sitting here trying to put together the Mona Lisa or something like that. And, you know what? Let's just get to it. So this table is just a regular plain black table, plain black chairs. Again, it's an apartment I just moved into. It's a small apartment, but we wanted to look a little more lively. So you go down to the discount center and you get these simple things. Again, this is all less than $20. You don't have to worry about really breaking your pockets. And you don't need everything that you see here. These are just to give you more options on what you would like to do. So again, plain black table, gray and white wooden floors. All right, black table makes sense. So I went and got white and light gray placemats, and then black and gray placemats. Okay, so it's on you. You do not need all of this. It's what you choose to do, right? I was just giving you guys 2 options. There's only 2 of these mats here. These were $1 each. There's 4 mats here. This was $5. We have a bag of stones here, decorative stones. That's $1. We have the foam here, which you may or may not need. It's up to you what you want to do, but that's $1. We have the gift bags here. There's 2 of them here. That's $1. Salt and pepper shakers, that's $1. Jar, vase, I don't know what you want to label this. This is going to be a vase now, but that was $3. And this is a plastic pitcher. That's another $1. All right. So this is simple. We have on the side some artificial flowers. Yes, artificial. Listen, we don't got time to sit there and have to make sure these things are okay. Make sure everything is watered. Make sure they're in the right pot, the right soil, the right something. Man, come on, man. I got stuff to do. Again, I'm a single guy, right? I'm not trying to have to do extra stuff I don't have to do, but I want it to look nice for the ladies. So the simplest way we could do this right here is you take the picture, right? It's $1. You get all the stuff out of there, of course. First, you'll take whatever placemats you choose, right? And you can put it on the table. However, in this case, it's two seats on the side. Boom. You can then take this, get that out of there, right? You can insert the foam, or you could put a little bit of rocks in the bottom, then insert the foam, or whatever you want to do. Add a little more rocks to it, and then you're going to grab your artificial plants and flowers. These were all $1 each. Right? This is all artificial flowers and stuff like that. You don't have to pick these specifically. Right? Organize them however you want to organize them. And we ready to go. You guys get the picture there. Boom. Right? Black table. The color's bouncing off it. Again, you got to take the white paper out of there. Boom. You could do that, right? And that'll be a simple fix for you. What you can also do in that situation is not put the green foam at all and just add the rocks. Boom. Quick fix. Here go another idea if you have time and you feel like it. You could take super glue, or I would really recommend you taking a glue gun. Get some scissors, cut about 2 rows here. You want about 2. There is a fine line that goes across that'll give you the opportunity, if you see it here. It'll give you the opportunity to cut straight across, right? That's what these bags are for. You then glue it to this part going around, right? So if you want to hide this foam, or you don't want to use the foam, or you don't want to use the rocks, boom, get the flowers, take this, glue it around there, you good to go. You want the set to look complete, then you take these things, salt and pepper shakers. Of course, you want some salt and pepper in there, and boom, take the same thing, cut it, glue it. You have a set right there with some bomb ass flowers. Look at that. Come on, man, we ready to go. You can't get no cheaper than that. That right there is $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. $6 right there, you done, right? If you want to add this, they go another $1. You're done. You glue around it. You're good to go. Well, the glue, if you don't have glue, you got to buy that too. You could take this same thing here with the foam or the rocks and add it to the vase. Take the lid off. Boom. You can also cut through the lid, right? Put the rocks in or the foam, whichever you want to do. Cut through the lid. Take your flowers and stuff. Throw it in there. You good to go. You could either put, again, you could cut the pieces off of this here, glue it around, and go. Here's another option. You could take one of these, cut around them. Even though this, I would say use a glue gun because it's heavier. But take this or this, cut around if you like them patterns, and put them around the bottom or even the top. Or maybe one stripe going around through the middle. And get it done on all these things here. And boom, you have a centerpiece. Cheap and effective, man. That's the point. Cheap and effective. You understand what I'm saying? So you have these options. And then, again, you're going to take whichever match you want to, place them correctly, man. And look at that. You're going to have a dope setup for when your lady friend comes through. All right, here we go, guys. I decided to just go with the jar, with the flowers, the rocks, and the willows, right? You can get a little more dramatic in there and put some water in there for a little realistic look, right? The thing is, don't fill it up. Only go to about this part with the water. You want the water to be noticeable. You don't want to fill to the top that no one's even going to realize it's even in there. So, you know, if you want to add that dramatic effect, add a little water. Here, I only got one placemat, just in case I just want to leave it on the table like that, looking nice centerpiece there in general. You can also throw that on the bookcase. You can also throw that on your nightstand. Whatever it is you want to do, that's just one of the looks that I want to give y'all. So you can see how simple and easy it looks and how nice it ends up looking on your table or wherever you end up putting it. You know, you hit the lights. 1 or 2 nice small candles in the middle. Boom. Looking good. There go another way to set up. You put the salt and pepper shakers. Of course, you want to put some salt and pepper in there. Boom. I also want to add in that jar, if you really wanted to and you want to make it permanent and didn't want things to move, but you want it to look like there's water in there, you got time and or money. I believe you could throw what they call that resin in there. I don't know how to do it. But you can put it in there and none of that stuff will move and it look like water would be in there, but you wouldn't be able to change the flowers out whenever you wanted to or anything of that nature or move it around how you wanted to. Either way, these are options. I was just showing you the fastest way to get it done for the cheapest amount of money. Make it look good, look nice. Hope this helps somebody out. Maybe somebody learned from this or made their things look cool. Get in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And if you have any other ideas to add, that would be dope too. All right, and of course, you will want food on the plate. Don't forget that. All right, fellas, cook, man. Cook. Put something together like this nice and actually cook something yourself, man. You're going to see how, let's just say, more than likely she's going to want to spend the night. You understand what I'm talking about? Y'all hit that like button, subscribe, things of this nature, man, and I'll see y'all in the next one.